Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I'm up here at the Greensboro Collector Car Show. It is starting to sprinkle on me, so I'm gonna head inside. But I wanted to grab this Oldsmobile. It's a 5688 and it's sold. It appears to have been, let's see, 13K is what it sold for. It appears to be an older restoration. I'll get it out in a minute. It is raining on me. Gotta get the stars on this car. Isn't that cool? Rocket Olds. Let's check this one out. Let's see if it's been restored. I'll see if it says anything on this tag. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's like the dash has been restored. Oh goodness. Wow. It don't say anything. There's another piece of paper in there. This vehicle has no parking gear. Okay, it doesn't say anything about the condition. I'm gonna say it's been repainted but not restored. Looks like maybe the dash and the seats were done. The bumpers clearly wasn't. It probably cost $1,000 to have that bumper re-chromed. Well, what a cool car. Folks, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button. I got to get out of this rain, so I got to rush this video. Y'all take care. Bob out.